Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a collaboration between Nike and Clot. They dropped the classic shoe back in the days, and they decided to retro it in Air Max month 2021. We're talking about the Air Max 1's Kiss It Death Clot Nike collaboration. But before we get into the show, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel and help us grow the channel to 1,500 subscribers. All the help and the subscribers and all the comments are gladly appreciated. If you guys want to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter, you guys can just head straight over at PENNY_4YT. And if you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you guys can just head straight to the website, and the website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go. Air Max 1 Clot Kiss It Death 2021. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, there's a lot of different details on this shoe, so please be patient with me as I describe each detail on the shoe. Let's start off with the toe box. On the toe box, you have a see-through toe box right here. You know, on the tip of the toe box, you have beige suede. The top of the toe box, you have beige here, also suede. And you have a burgundy red leather tongue. You have beige wax laces. You have a beige pull tag that's suede with the green Nike logo. Slide over here to the side of the shoe. You have more of the suede going around on the side of the toe box. You can see the see-through right here also. You have a really good orange sole right here with the blue bottom of the sole. You have a patent leather burgundy swoosh here. You have green here where the laces go with the leather around it. You have ostrich skin right here going around on the top of the shoe right here, which is crazy. Right here, going around to the back of the shoe to the other side. This looks like a regular leather, but it's not. It's actually 3M burgundy with the orange Clot sign going around, which gives, makes the shoe pop a lot more. I don't know if you guys can see it. Slide over here to the back. You have more of that ostrich skin right here. Ooh, it feels good too. Good premium materials on here. You have that burgundy swoosh here also with more suede, more of the ostrich skin here, more of that orange sole with that clear blue airbag. Slide down to the bottom of the shoe. You have the different colors in here and everything like that. You have the Clot logo. You have the Nike Air here. I don't know if you can see that, the Air, typical Air Max 1 sole, the blue. Man, all I can say is Nike, man, y'all bringing stuff back like this. Y'all doing big things in 2021. I see it. What y'all doing with this type of stuff, man, these are crazy. I remember when these dropped back in the days. To bring these back is crazy, man. Like, this is wow. Wow, man. The materials, everything feels premium, man. Nothing feels cheap about this shoe. The only knock on it really is it don't really have no type of cushion or anything on the inside of the shoe. So I would advise for you to get a smaller size so that way your foot can fit directly inside of it and it won't be sliding back and forth. Like if you wear a 9.5, I would get like a 9 so your foot not sliding back and forth. But these are crazy. To drop in Air Max month, this is crazy. So that means it's gonna get crazy this month. Y'all already know, man. And this is one of them ones right here, man. Got the burgundy laces here. Wax lace also comes with it. The box is crazy. On each sole of the shoe, it has different things. I'll show you guys the soles of the shoe. I'll take both soles out and show you guys, man. This is crazy, man. What y'all think? What y'all think? I need to know what y'all think. Leave it in the comments below. Woo! Fire, man. Like the materials feel. I wish I could feel. I wish it was like a way I can feel these joints. Like it feels even to the 3M. The 3M even feels crazy. Like when I felt it, I thought it was leather. But when I turned on the light, I seen the 3M popping. Like it felt. Even the 3M feels crazy, man. This is the reflective on that feels crazy, man. This shoe is fire, man. It's fire. Let me know what y'all think. Leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time. It's time for me to rate this shoe, and I'm gonna have to keep it all the way real. Out of 5 pennies, man, This might be the first shoe to get a 5 penny rating, man. I'm giving these 5 out of 5 pennies, man. Straight up. 5 out of 5, man. First shoe of 2021 to get 5 out of 5. Let me know if y'all disagree. These are crazy. This shoe is crazy, man. The materials feel amazing on these joints. Like, I'm not shocked, you know, because Nike, when they want to do their thing, they do their thing. But this is one of them ones, man. 5 out of 5 pennies. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all rate them. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.